Hey, if you got this one's a 2017 Altima 3.5. If you got one of these, just a little quick tip. Down here, you got a little nut right on that motor mount. Undo that nut, and you want to come under here, under your car. They're 21 millimeters. He's right here on your chassis. You want to loosen these. See how that one's loose almost all the way out? Right there. Right here, 21s. One here, you got one there. You can loosen up the ones in the back, but I just got them loose. Well, you don't have to take any of them out. You just want everything loose. And that's how you're gonna come around here. And that's how you're gonna get these alternator out. This is a new one in. I got the new one in already. But you're gonna bend this little flap up right here. Just bend it up a little bit. Of course, undo your AC right here. But the main thing is you're gonna drop this chassis down some. Lower it down as much as you can, because that's gonna lower this down so you can pull this alternator out. Because this is a booger and a pain in the butt as it is. But that is a trick to get it out. Thanks for watching.